Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking an exclusive first look at the brand new 2025 GrandDesignImagine travel trailer. If you're looking for luxury, innovation, and comfort in a lightweight travel trailer, you're going to love this one. Make sure to stick around until the end of the video for a full walkthrough and my personal thoughts. Right off the bat, the exterior of the 2025 GrandDesignImagine stands out. It features a sleek, modern design with upgraded graphics and a high-gloss fiberglass finish. The aluminum-framed construction and fully laminated sidewalls provide durability without adding unnecessary weight. Plus, with an industry-leading warranty, you can hit the road with confidence. One of the biggest upgrades this year is the newly designed pass-through storage, giving you even more space for all your camping gear. The electric awning with LED lighting creates the perfect outdoor setup, whether you're relaxing at the campsite or enjoying an evening with family and friends. And with the all-new off-road package, you get upgraded tires and a reinforced frame, making boondocking adventures easier than ever. Now let's head inside, where GrandDesign has truly outdone themselves. Stepping in, you're welcomed by a spacious, open floor plan with modern decor and high-end finishes. The 2025 model features new interior color options, premium vinyl flooring, and upgraded cabinetry that adds a residential feel. One of the standout features is the panoramic windows that allow plenty of natural light, making the space feel even bigger and brighter. The kitchen is packed with functionality. It features solid surface countertops, a deep stainless steel sink, and a high-rise faucet. The 3-burner stove, oven, and large refrigerator ensure you have everything you need to cook meals on the go. And check this out, the new hidden pantry design keeps your essentials organized while maintaining a clean, streamlined look. Moving to the living area, you'll find ultra-comfortable theater seating with heat and massage functions. Whether you're watching TV on the large LED screen or just kicking back after a long day of exploring, this space is all about relaxation. The new climate-controlled system with improved insulation keeps you comfortable year-round, no matter where your travels take you. Now onto the bedroom. The GrandDesignImagine offers a true residential queen-size bed with a premium memory foam mattress for ultimate comfort. Overhead storage, dual nightstands, and USB charging ports make it easy to stay organized and connected. Plus, with a sliding privacy door, you get the perfect balance of openness and privacy when you need it. The bathroom is another highlight. It features a full-sized shower with glass doors, a porcelain toilet, and plenty of storage for all your toiletries. GrandDesign has even added a new water-saving system to help extend your fresh water supply when off-grid. For those who love technology, the 2025 GrandDesignImagine has a smart control system that allows you to monitor and manage lights, climate settings, and even tank levels right from your phone. The upgraded solar package also means you can stay off-grid longer, giving you more freedom to explore. So, what do you think of the 2025 GrandDesignImagine? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more RV tours, travel tips, and adventure content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.